Hi guys, Udit again from Root Bridges, where we moved finally to our new nurseries a couple of weeks back, and I just thought I'd show you our new place. We have a lot more plants, a lot more varieties, and it should be nice if you could visit us. That would be great. But I'll still show you what we have. These are some of our succulents. We have many more, but a lot of new varieties. Some of the old favorites, the sedum little gem. This we call the Echeveria green China, Delospermas, the old favorite, the sedum firestorm. More Echeverias. This one a lot of people have been asking for since long. We have very limited stock, and a lot of it is sold already. If you want one, try it soon. This is the Euphorbia Francoisi, the brown knight, the brown version of that. Very hard to get. It's a collector item. Do try it. Hoyas and all, of course, everyone's familiar with. We'll come back maybe to this section in a bit, but so some of our succulents, I'll still run you across the rest of them. Bonsal, of course, an all-time favorite. Whitney is back, guys. A lot of people have been asking for Whitney. If you want some Whitney, now's the time to get it. Might not, it's pretty hard to grow. We're working on it, but we have about 200 odd ready stock right now. If you want some, now's the time to get it. These guys are new as well. This is something a lot of people have already liked. We haven't even been putting pictures, but the 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 alba or the tricolor. This is actually the tricolor, but we just call it the white jade succulent. Very cool plant. Do try this. Won't be easy to find. Should we move into our foliage section? Oh, this is something we're launching soon. I'll just mention it. We were growing the variegated million hearts. Little bit hard to grow. We've as of now trying to still grow that, but we have ready stock of the green million hearts. This will be out on our website soon, so do keep an eye out for this. Very cool plant. Very hard to get also. Very hardy. Do come in now. This is our foliage section. Our fogger is on right now, so I might have to speak a little loudly so that you can still hear me over the sound of it. We're growing a lot more foliage plants now, so I'll just run you through most of them. This is of course very popular, but in case you haven't got one, this is the Calathea Dotty. Do try, it's one of the hardiest Calatheas. Very good home plant. Our air plants are here, everyone knows them. Funkiana, some people were trying to get hold of but couldn't get. We have some stock now, do try it. Of course, the Ionantha and the cotton candy, everyone knows. We're growing some bonsai, the ginseng bonsai. It's a great desk plant and it's one of the few indoorish bonsai plants. We have it in a bigger size as well, so do try this if you wanted a bonsai plant for home. Moving along, Rex Begonia, another popular favorite. Let's just move along the aisle. So some work going on here as well. It's a work in progress. I haven't showed you guys, sorry. I have to just backtrack a bit. Everyone's been waiting for this to come back. It's finally here, guys. Get it before it goes again. I know everyone's saying it's a little bit pricey, but trust me, this is the best price that we can offer for this plant, and it's much cheaper than the rest of the guys out there. Monstera deliciosa. Do try it. The table palms are. A lot of people have been asking for palms that they couldn't, that we didn't have earlier. The table palm is a really nice, very once put and forget easily kind of plant. Let's move along. Fitonias are here, guys. Another plant that I really want to point out. We've started growing these very recently and have had great success. You're not going to find these colors on aglaonemas easily. So just to point out, the pink Anjumani or just the what we call the pink aglaonema is this guy. Look at the color difference between these. The mature leaves are nearly entirely pink. It's very rare. Do try it. Next style, aglaonemas are here. This is the medallion. We have some very nice big size medallions. Not easy to grow to this size. If you want a big calathea, this is the one to get. I'll just show you one of them because it has a nice flower. Flower in a calathea, who knew? I'll just have to show this again because it keeps going out of stock no matter how much we grow them. Yeah, this is self-explanatory. Satin pothos, guys. We have some nice coleuses which we're not as of now selling online, but if you can visit us, then Sachin, fogger बंद करो थोड़ी देर. Okay, this is the plant I just had to show. We've already put this up on our website. Is very cool that we have it in this size, guys. For those of you who identified this, I don't know, bonus plant geek points, but this is the Philodendron Birkin in case you hadn't. Check out the variegation on these leaves. You might want to zoom in on this. Get these before we're selling out because they're selling very fast. Just show the Maggie because a lot of people had been asking for Maggie. We didn't expect this kind of demand for the Maggie. This is the Humulomina Maggie. Yeah, very simple, plain green houseplant. No effort really involved with this. Do try it. Do you think we can questions?
Yeah.
They're good, right? Okay, let's just quickly take a round of the outside. This is actually where our propagation is going on. It will take some time for these plants to be ready, but I still thought I'd show you. So this is the size in which we start with our mango syngonium. And I think I'll show you a bigger one in a bit, but just to get an idea, this is the effort it takes to grow a baby. It takes a few months to sell it size. Very exciting news, guys. We're starting with microgreens kits. These so this will come with a set of four different plants. We have the spicy radish, the peppery mustard, flax seeds, and amaranthus. This thing will have very high germination rate, and it can be ready to harvest in like 10 days. Great for your salads, great for any kind of food additive. Extremely packed with nutrients. We're going to be launching this on our site soon, so stay tuned. We just have some seeds put out. This is actually cherry tomato and basil. If you're looking to, we don't sell these on our website because they're too tender. But yeah, some baby rubber plants on the way for you. We have very big size rubber plants also, but it's on the other side. I won't show it here. This is a new launch again, guys. Very popular plant, the teardrop peperomia. A little bit cranky compared to the other peperomias, but very cool if you're into these peperomia plants. So yeah, I think actually some more flowers on the top. I don't know if you can get them from here. But the euphorbias, calanchos, of course. We can't end this without an adenium. White adenium, double petal. So yeah, that's just what we're doing right now. If you have any questions, do post them in a comment, and anything at all, reach out to us. Hope you like this video.
Should I run you through the questions?
Okay,
So everyone's asking when can they visit?
anytime. We're open pretty much every day. Sunday half day, otherwise pretty much any day. Up to 6 p.m.
Okay, and someone also asked where can they get that baby rubber plant from?
Baby rubber plant we can't sell because it's too tender to send by courier. We sell a fairly big size rubber plant which is available on our website. You can just search for the rubber on our website and you can order that. It's too early to send that by courier. It will not survive.
Okay. That's
Yeah.
yeah.
Thanks guys.